A king mackerel. Wow! Is this good, guys? We won! 111. I have no idea if this is good or not, but I'm going to act like it's amazing. 1 OMG OMG OMG. That's 140 centimeters long. Or 55 inches or 20,604,000 microns for you imperial bastards. I wonder if guys would really be surprised at 55 inches, considering how bad they are at estimating 6. Fuck it, trolling the big fish only. Your imperial rack 3 days? In more ways than one. And your ancestors smiling is only foreshadowing how your entire ancestry line will grin in horror after I'm done with you, Triakis. I'm so full of energy today, maybe a little too much. I spent all of last night crying over a heartbreak, so I'm in that weird liminal space between hopelessness and euphoria.